How to fix the TikTok algorithm. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. This is your solution guy Bimal, and in this guide video I will simply show you how you can fix and beat the TikTok's algorithm. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now it really depends on what you're trying to fix in the first place. If TikTok is not recommending your content to someone else and you want to remove that restriction, or maybe it could simply be because you want to beat the TikTok algorithm. Maybe you're an established business, maybe you're a prominent figure, or maybe you're a celebrity and you're trying to engage more audience, you're trying to attract more followers to your account. There are hopefully a couple of ways you can do that, but for that there are basically two types of issues why this happens. The first could be account wise, which means all of your privacy settings depending upon what kind of settings which you have put and set on your account. The other could be algorithm, which is totally not up to you, and it could all depend upon the TikTok's platform and in TikTok's wish whether or not to recommend your account to others. But hopefully we will work around this, so make sure to stick with me till the end. The very first thing I will do is I will go ahead and then simply open up the TikTok application on my phone. Open TikTok, log into your account, and you can see this is how it is going to look like. Check and verify whether or not your account is actually switched to public. So for example, if you have a private account, it simply means that TikTok will not recommend your account to others. So if you also have a private public account but you're not set it to business or professional account, I would also recommend you to switch to some kind of professional accounts. That would give you more insights about your followers and so on. So instead, in order to verify that, I will tap on the three lines at the top and select settings. I will go to privacy and verify that the private account toggle is turned off. If you look at the interaction section, you also want to edit off these privacy settings. For example, you can see who can actually watch your story. You want to make sure that it is set to everyone. All of the downloads, following lists, like videos, post views, profile views, this is totally up to you. And let's say one of your videos is actually going down, depending upon the algorithm, you want to simply recommend this content to others. You have to edit the privacy setting of that particular video. In order to fix that, open it, tap on the three dots, and then look for the option called privacy setting. As you go to privacy settings, you'll be able to see a list of different options. You simply have to make sure that who can watch this video is currently set to everyone. You want to make sure that you have set it to everyone. The other likely could be reason could be that you want to actually add some few effective hashtags to your post. Now you cannot go ahead and edit the caption of a random post on a TikTok profile because TikTok does not allow you to actually edit the videos and captions once you do it. But if you want to do it in the future, and if you want to recommend it in the future, what I would recommend you do is to simply use some of the effective hashtags. There are a bunch of free websites which offer you some of the popular hashtags going around on social media platforms. So make sure to stick around with that, and hopefully this was it. This was it for today's video on how you can actually beat and fix the TikTok's algorithm. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel for more short and sweet tutorials like this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.